Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best lawn sprinklers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Grow Green Rotating Lawn Sprinkler. If you want to irrigate your lawn with a gentle spray, opt for the Grow Green Rotating Sprinkler. It features a revolving head that sprays water in a circular pattern, so you don't have to move it around. Plus, the 80 psi water pressure increases the rotation speed and covers more area. While it can spray water up to 32.8 feet, you can adjust the nozzles to spray a shorter distance if needed. And although it's made of plastic, it has a metal base that keeps it weighed down. Setup is simple and takes a few minutes. Just connect the hose to the water connector and your faucet. Besides watering your yard or garden, the gentle jets are also a great way for kids to cool down on a hot day. Overall, this sprinkler gets the job done at a low price. But for larger yards, you may want to look at other sprinklers on the list that have more coverage. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Steady Turret Pattern Sprinkler. If you want to water hard-to-reach areas or avoid the hassle of watering by hand, a stationary sprinkler like the Steady Turret Pattern Sprinkler can make lawn and garden upkeep easier. It has 8 spray patterns, including a range of low and high sprays in various shapes like hexagons, half hexagon, narrow rectangles, circles, and upward rain jets. While it may not be ideal for large yards, it can cover smaller areas and garden beds. It connects to most standard garden hoses easily with a built-in metal swivel connection and has an adapter to connect to hoses of different sizes. The base is made from heavy-duty metal, so it won't easily fall over and lasts many seasons, and convenient holes at the bottom allow you to hang it up out of the way when not in use. Just be aware that it's fairly light and can flip over if you tug at the hose too hard. At number 3, we have the Rainbird 32 ETI Easy Install-in Ground Automatic Sprinkler. With the Rainbird Automatic Sprinkler System, you can save water and time by setting the watering schedule your lawn needs. It has a battery-operated timer to set when and how long it runs, or you can select the auto function. With all settings, you can cancel your scheduled watering at any time. The 6 rotary sprinkler heads have a water pressure of 45 to 75 psi, the average for residential homes, but it's recommended to have a minimum water flow of 6 gallons per minute. The spray has a reach of 15 feet and can cover medium to large yards of around 1,000 to 3,000 square feet. Even though installation is simple, it's advised to check for electric or gas lines in the area before you dig to place the sprinkler line. The sprinklers retract into the lawn when they aren't in use and pop up when you turn the water on, so you don't need to worry about tripping hazards. Although it can work year-round, the system may get damaged in freezing weather. At number 2, we have the Rachio 3 to 8 Zone Smart Sprinkler. If you want an energy-saving option that lets you know when and how much water your lawn needs, then it's time to upgrade your sprinkler setup with a smart controller. The Rachio 3 Smart Sprinkler Controller automates your watering schedules, so you only have to program it initially for it to follow the watering schedule you created. If you're unsure of the optimal schedule for your lawn, the Rachio can assess factors like location, plant types, and sun exposure to provide you with the best times to water your lawn or garden. Additionally, the sprinkler controller can assess local weather conditions and adjust watering schedules accordingly. For example, if there is rain in the forecast, it won't water your lawn that day. You can also control watering remotely through the connected app, so you don't have to be at home to turn it on or off. The Rachio is compatible with Google Home and Alexa but does not integrate with Apple HomeKit. Also keep in mind that this product does not come with its own lawn sprinklers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Aqua Joe Indestructible Oscillating Sprinkler. The Aqua Joe Oscillating Sprinkler is our top pick to keep your lawn lush and green. Even though the body is made of plastic, it has metal nozzle fittings, plus a sturdy metal base to keep it in place as it sprays. You can adjust the range, angle, and width of the 16 nozzles, giving you more control as you water. To use, connect this sprinkler to any regular garden hose and choose your desired settings to unleash a fan-like stream of water. Whenever you need to adjust the range, push the sliding tabs on the side for a shorter or extended reach. The 16-inch Aqua Joe sprinkler covers about 3,600 square feet with a maximum spray distance of 70 feet, which is more than enough for a medium to large lawn or vegetable garden. It's also available in a 20-inch version that covers 4,400 square feet. At around 2 pounds, you can easily bring this lawn sprinkler to other parts of your yard. Keep in mind that the spray is gentle and might not work as well on windy days. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.